Hello, welcome to another video. So today we are going to review this AI software. All right, so it's not just a normal AI, it's a generative AI. So they are using a language model. So recently there's a lot of this pop out on this AI, generative AI. So this is one of the startup. They actually pop up for the to generate the video. To generate this custom chatbot so for your business. So this chatbot basically, the idea is to learn all the information, all the knowledge on your business, and then become your customer support for your customer. All right. So let's get into it. All right. Now we are at the home page of this AI chatbot. So it's called NewOaks AI. So yeah, this company actually founded by a China person, so he's from China. So yeah, so it's actually a asset. It's actually the idea is a AI. It's an AI chatbot. So basically, they you can it's a cut you can connect to a ChatGPT account. If let's say you pay for a ChatGPT, on the paid plan, you can actually sync it. So then they will be using the ChatGPT AI to train your model to actually become a chatbot. So this is a outside interface. So they'll be giving you a something like this, a live chat system like this. Yeah. So then you can actually put in your website, put in anywhere. So then your customer can actually know. All right. So yeah, the customer can actually chat. So you can integrate with WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger, if I'm not mistaken. So let's not waste any time. So let's go inside. So once I sign up, right? So once you try it for free, click on this button to sign up. So once you sign up, right, you will fall into this page. All right, you'll fall into page like this. So this is the first page. So what happened is the first thing is you need to is a data source. So meaning to say that you need to upload any files, or you put copy and paste any text. Let's say you have already have file, you just copy and paste, copy and paste any text inside, and then just click create chatbot. All right, that's it. Okay, so it's quite simple. So this is the files. Maybe the files could be your product catalog, or you already have the Microsoft Word or TXT file. So you can upload everything inside, and then you can start train your model. All right, and then maybe even you have a website already, so it'll be easier to for this new oats to actually crawl the data in it. All right. So okay, let's take a website to actually crawl the data. All right. So because it's much simpler. So if we just I will for this demonstration purpose, I'll just go a website and then start to fetch the link to train the chatbot. Okay. So they are fetching the link right now as we speak. All right, there you go. So once they fetch the link, right, they will, to get all the link under this domain. So they will study every information in this domain to actually, and then after that you can start answering. So there are 11 link detected. So the character limit is 32 limit. All right, so you can actually create the chatbot. So it will show you they are start training the chatbot. All right. So then you become pro already. You'll become super pro. Then you can actually put in your website, put in anywhere, like for example, you sometimes you are busy vacation. Yeah, so the chatbot will be your 24 hours customer support. All right. So there you go. All right. So they are crawling this data information training. And then there you go. The chatbot is out now. So this is a title. You can actually change this title, no issue. I'll teach you where. So they already train your model, so you can actually run some tests. What is may I know what is this? So the AI, okay, so the AI will actually help you to actually replace. So actually you could train it better. Uh what service are you providing? Okay, so let's do some setting here. I think do some setting here first. So let's go into setting. So because the model haven't really trained yet, as you can see here. All right. So this is new chatbot. This is flow builder. Oh, okay. So basically, you haven't really connect to the API yet. So to get your API, you need to click here. All right. So you need to sync it and then start training the API using, because now there's no AI inside. You need to integrate with ChatGPT. So once you click here and then sign up, get the API, paste it here, and then train the model again, and then you will be able to, they will be able to actually teach the chat or this chatbot to be able to, do it better. Okay, to attend to your customer better. All right. So this is a customer prompt. I wish they have a better onboarding so that you actually know the first step is actually to connect API first. Okay. So this is a customer prompt template. So you are customer service assistant. You are designed to offer a design customer support, relying on the data source. Okay. So basically, uh, this is a prompt lah for your customer support, for your this AI. So AI will actually pretend to be this, all right, based on the data source you'll be trained. Okay, and then this is a chat interface. So okay, so this is a chat interface. You can actually change it, this thing, and you can do it here. And also, let's say the theme you want to be dark is no problem. You can set it. So the height of this you can do it as well. Radius, let's say you want to do it at 5 or 10. Okay, you see the curve here, the radius, so you make it more sleek. All right, so and then the font style. All right, profile picture, I do not have any profile picture. You can upload, and then there will be a profile picture like this. Let's see, you see like this, you'll be here. All right, you just upload your profile picture, display name, test board. Okay, so you can change your color, probably red, and then yeah, user input folder, update chat icon. Chat icon, I think is this one. So let's see, you can upload your own chat icon. Basically by default it's like this. Okay, so red color, I think convenient. All right, so you can forward the message human take over, meaning to say that, let's say this AI unable to answer the question, it will actually transfer this conversation to human. So human there will be able to actually reply. So they have a mobile app where you can download. Actually, you see mobile app here, the app download here. You can download it. So once you download it, right, this app will serve as a purpose as for you when you receive email, and then you go into their mobile app and actually reply to the customer directly by taking over from AI. All right. So there's a like WhatsApp. It works like WhatsApp like that. So you just need to download their mobile app. All right. So you put in your email to notify you that this AI unable to resolve customer issue. Customers still like to talk to a live agent, something like that. So they will transfer it to. All right. Custom human takeover reply message. Okay. Please wait while I transfer to uh available the next available agent, something like that. All right, you can put your Facebook link, WhatsApp link, Instagram link, things like that. All right, So you hit the save button and then it's safe. So this thing is safe. Okay. Yep. So this is security portion. Sorry, this is a chat interface portion. So there are security as well you can do because ChatGPT, right? Once you integrate the API, right? So the ChatGPT charges money on every they're using their API, right? Go through their API, right? They charges GPT-4 is much better, not no hallucinating, all right? But it's much slower, more expensive. So GPT-4 is this. So they are ChatGPT are charging money. So you can see the API here, the cost of API. Yeah, so they are charging money for every API call. So you do not want that when you put on the customer support, right? Sometimes there's a bot, right? Go into your website, right, or any place to actually just chatting anything, with someone, or without even there's no purpose to it, meaning it's not generating any revenue for the business. So that's why this security function is very important. So it limits the messages you can send per second, for every second, so you can send it. So if let's say too many messages, right, so it will show these messages so that you won't keep using your money in your GPT account, your chat GPT account, because or else, right, you'll be very troublesome, because you will deplete your money quite fast. So you need to limit this so that it can actually help. So for normal people, limit to 20 messages to 240 messages is quite okay. So it's actually up to you. You can customize it however you want it. Okay. So this is leads. So basically, leads is actually yeah, what kind of leads you're collecting from customer. So when customer chatting with you, right? So you can actually, this is a lead form in this GPT. So they will send it out to customer. So customer fill in, you will actually collect this information. So you'll be able to see it. All right. And this is the place where you can create lead form. Okay, you can even create a custom domain. So if you have a domain, so you can put it and then just send a domain, so customer will be able to chat with the domain. Okay, chat with the chatbot. Right, so this domain is actually linked to your chatbot. Okay, so there's appointment. Okay, so if let's say you are doing uh your business is doing appointment business, like for example beauty center, you need appointment, dental, doctor, restaurant, things like that. So actually, you require a appointment because of the reservation or appointment. So you can actually sync it with this, with Calendly or Google Calendar. Google Calendar is widely used by everyone. All right, but Calendly is also quite user friendly. All right, perhaps one day I can actually do a Calendly software review as well. All right. So these kind of big companies, right? They're amazing, basically. Okay. So yeah. So when just now you remember mentioned the lead, right? So once you collect the lead, right, from the lead form that you have created, like for example this one, you're creating a lead form. Let's say this is lead form. You want to collect name, last name, and email address, phone number, any message want to drop to you, and I will see. So let's save this one for now. So once you collect, you will appear here. All the list that has been collected, you will be appear here. You can export it to CSV file. You can even see, based on, like for example, this customer right now. May I know what is this? This is just like I type one. So if let's say got many conversation, will appear here. You'll be able to monitor all the conversation between AI and your customer. All appear here. So you can take over at any time using your mobile app that you should download app. So this is the appointment. If let's say you are you have enabled the appointment just now, where I mentioned setting here, there's an appointment. booking. So once you connected, right? So any appointment that's successfully collected, right? You will actually appear in this section here. So then you can actually, uh, know and follow up with your customer after that lah. So this is the source where just now initially we upload the files, right? So these are the files. So let's say you updated new information, new maybe product coming in, new thing to add into your library. You can actually retrain the chatbot again. So you just click on this button to retrain them again. So once they train again, then they will learn a new things. So there are a lot of ways you can actually upload this add to this library. So this library is your AI library for your company, specifically work for your company only. So there are files, you can upload files, there are TXT, just copy and paste the words in somewhere. And then this is the website, okay, to crawl, all right. So, and then this is the Q&A. So you must be having a Q&A for any company in the world. Any company in the world will have customers. Their customers will sure ask a frequent asked question. Will have a set of question that usually asked by customer. So you can actually list down the Q&A, question and answer, and then upload inside, and then the chatbot next time they will learn it and use rephrase the sentence and then learn it so that they will know how to reply if should anyone ask the similar question again. All right. You can sync it with your Google Sheet as well. So there's a series of steps given by this company to sync with Google Sheet. All right. Make a copy, share anyone with the link, and paste the link here. I see. Okay. So keyword trigger. All right. So this is a add a keyword and answer, meaning if someone asks this, if their question inside have contains the keyword in here, like for example price, then what is the normal answer they will be giving? Answer, price, answer. Okay, so yeah, so these are the thing you can put, all right, and then company info, your company info, so that the AI will, if they do know how to solve it, they will send this information, or your customer is requesting, they'll send this information to your customer. Yes. So after that, after you have trained your chatbot, everything is done, and then you can test it here on this right here. You can test your chatbot right here after you train it. So once you're satisfied with that, you can embed, meaning you put this chatbot like here, put in your website or put in anywhere or your mobile app. Just copy this code, okay? Or if you do not know any coding, you call your developer to copy this code into your mobile app or website or any applications. This application, so there's a tag here, HTML. I mean how to add here, where to add here, also here. So this is a link directly to the chatbot, or you just copy this link, copy this URL. All right, copy this URL, and you see you go to a chatbot page for you to test it out. All right, a chatbot page for you to test it out. All right, so you'll be like this. All right, that's not the lead form that we enable. So it will look like this. When people submit, it will flow there inside just out the page there. All right, inside here. Yeah, the lead form will appear right here. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so it should be able to appear right here. There you go. It appeared right here. Okay. Link to conversation means you link back to the chat there, and you can start chatting with your customer. Okay. So basically this is it. So and then this is and then you once you embed, this part is the embed part, and then this is the integration part. So once you train the chatbot, right, not only you want to you can put your own live chat here, embed into your app or applications or your websites. You want it to actually integrate with other platforms. For example, as of now, right, this Google, this one is actually more like a, okay, hang on, the slides here. Let's check what is that. What is this about? Okay, so it's actually a guide for Google Voice. So meaning to say that there will be a voice, meaning like it's a chatbot, but it's a voice chatbot. All right, it's a voice chatbot. So people can actually hang on, you see this one, Google Display, save, forward, verifies you. Okay, so this is a lot of verification to connect. Let's jump into a place to send and receive messages. Okay, you can use the chatbot on Google Voice number to send and receive messages. So yeah, not sure about this Google Voice number. So yeah, but if those who knows, I think you can actually go through it. Use this. It's quite a new function. Probably another country will be using it. But in Malaysia, we rarely use Google Voice number. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, Twilio is basically an SMS, if I'm not mistaken. Twilio number, copy and paste. Okay, so this is a Twilio setup. They already give me a setup. Okay, quite good. So it's a SMS. So they are sending SMS. So to integrate for SMS purpose. All right. Okay. So this one is actually integrate for your Facebook Messenger. So you want to integrate your whatever your AI chatbot, which you already trained, which you already ready to deploy to live. So you want it to appear in Facebook Messenger, you can do that, but you need to integrate first. You need to connect between your this NewOaks account with your Facebook Messenger account. So yeah, the steps is here. You can do that. So they are going through Twilio to do it. Okay, they are going through Twilio to do it. So I believe there will be additional charges. So yeah, so there'll be additional charges because Twilio is a company providing APIs, all sort of API. So I think there will be additional charges on this. This is WhatsApp. I assume it's also Twilio. Yeah, it's also Twilio. Because Twilio have WhatsApp, SMS, and wide range of variety of APIs there. So he's using one platform where customer can access everything. Yeah. So this is a step by step on how to integrate. So then your chatbot, your trained chatbot will appear there, will appear in the WhatsApp. Okay. So as of now, I think this one is quite straightforward. So you want to delete the chatbot, you just click delete here. All right. So it's quite straightforward. So before that, let's jump back into pricing. Okay. So let's jump into pricing so that we actually know whether it suits everyone. So for a chatbot which is going to replace customer, right, support, right? So and reduce the burden of customer support. I think this price is very good to pay. So this is only one chatbot here. You can create one chatbot. So if let's say you're only one company, you can have one chatbot here. So the training character chatbot per data is on generally 400 only, 400K. So if you need more, you need to upgrade. But even upgrade, right, is still affordable. Okay, it's still affordable. And then they support in anything, you can capture leads, can do send digital business card. The chatbot will send on behalf of you. Okay. And then you can connect to ChatGPT on different model, 3.5 turbo onwards. All right. And then there is 30 message credit per month. I think it's 30 times 30 convert 30 message credit. Okay. But anyhow, so this will be the best. I feel if you are seriously thinking of uh getting your business up and running, this will be the best. So you can even connect to Pabbly. Pabbly is actually a software. Probably in the future, I'll in a following video I'll do this Pabbly or Zapier uh, integrate software integration. So it's a solution where it's amazing. You can they are the marketplace for APIs. So people can go through them to get API access to connect to whichever other software they want. So there's additional, I think this one is very good. So you can start with this one, or you start with this free one. So once you started, right, you will know which one you lack of, so which one you need. So you will actually, whether you will determine whether you need to upgrade or not. So I think this is good. So I think can do a point custom domain, just like I mentioned, live chat, bring your own key, e-commerce template, that template which is already there. So you just use their template. All right. So yeah, so this their price is free of charge. So can go up to 299 for where you can create 20 chatbots. All right. Okay, so only 99 they will remove the power by. I think they mean this power by new oaks. So they remove it if you sign up for this plan. Okay. So custom domain, additional money. Here is what custom domain. Here have a custom domain. But here use your own domain. Oh, weird. This is an add-on, meaning to say that you need more than one custom domain for one single chatbot. So because every single chatbot has one custom domain. So if you need additional, you need to pay additional 49. Yeah, because this plan, right, here already have custom domain, but it's only for one domain. You see, you can insert a domain here. Sorry, you can insert a domain here, but it's only one. So if you need a multi-chat domain, so I think this one will be additional domain. Okay. All right. So there's a white label as well. If you want to help them resell, you can. They will they will take revenue sharing as well, and 299 plus revenue sharing. Okay. So I hope you I hope you enjoy this review. All right. I hope it helps you in some way. If this software is for you, you can probably help sign up and then you use their software. It's anyways start from there. It's free. Can test it out first whether is it suit for you. I feel it in terms of intuitive is quite okay, quite intuitive. It's just that they lack of the okay. So basically, you want to create more than one chatbot, you can create here. New chatbot from template is right here. All right. So let's just test it out here. Negotiate WooCommerce. All right. So they tell you how to do that, and then generate chatbot. Copy and paste into the chatbot. Okay. So basically, this software is quite intuitive, just that the lack of better onboarding. So they need to have a better precise of onboarding, like step one, what is it, step two, step three, so on and so forth. So this way, customer can actually use it themselves to know. All right. Yeah, whether onboarding when they first sign up. So beside that, the price is very reasonable to replace customer support is very reasonable price, and all you need to do is just integrate ChatGPT and train your own chatbot. All right. So then once you monitor, like probably train it, you know, some errors here and there, maybe for 1 month or 2 weeks. So you frequently check it. So once you've done that, the more information the AI learned about your business, the better it becomes. So then you'll be less mistake the AI will make. All right. So this generative AI is amazing. A lot of startup started this, so a lot of investment also already there. So you will get maturity very fast. So I think this one is quite good lah. The layout, the implementation is quite good. Okay, so I hope to see you again on the next video. Remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel if you wish to see a future update on any other video software review. So let us know in the down comment as well. If you have any software you want us to review, let us know. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Ciao.